HGCU series hollow grinder controls. The work lamp on-off switch is located on the base of the work lamp. The System On button starts the motors that drive the cup wheels. The System Off button stops the cup wheels. The Pump On button starts the flow of coolant to the cup wheels. The Pump Off button stops the flow of coolant to the cup wheels. Pushing down on the emergency switch stops the cup wheels. To reset the emergency switch, twist the top of the button clockwise until it pops up. The coolant control valve adjusts the flow of coolant onto the cup wheels. To avoid burn spots on the blade or damaging the cup wheels, hollow grinding and dressing the cup wheels should always be done with coolant flowing onto the cup wheels. Turning the grinding stone hand wheel counterclockwise moves the cup wheels apart. Turning the grinding stone hand wheel clockwise brings the cup wheels closer to each other. The dresser lever is used to move the dresser back and forth across the cup wheels. Dressing the cup wheels. Retract the dresser assembly by turning the dresser advance wheel counterclockwise until it stops. Turn the grinding stone hand wheel clockwise to bring the cup wheels together until they lightly touch. Loosen the thumb screw on each diamond advance screw and retract the dressing diamond until the tip extends about 1/8 of an inch. Read the number stamped into the front of the dresser hand wheel. In this case, the number stamped on the wheel is 5. Turn the dresser hand wheel clockwise the specified number of turns. Center the dresser in front of the cup wheels. Extend each dressing diamond until the tip lightly contacts the cup wheel. Then tighten the thumb screw. Close the wheel cover. Move the dresser assembly all the way to one side. Start the cup wheel motors and coolant. Using the dresser lever, slowly move the dresser assembly fully back and forth across the cup wheels. Both wheels are dressed simultaneously as you move the dresser lever back and forth. If you need to remove more material from the cup wheels, the dresser can be moved slightly by carefully reaching under the stone cover and advancing the dresser hand wheel a small amount. Equipamento PRIMEDGE also offers an optional air-operated cup wheel dresser. To use the air-operated dresser, follow the procedures for setting up the manual diamond cup wheel dresser. The air pressure must be set to 90 psi. Press the control button to move the dresser assembly to the left across the cup wheels. Release the control button and the dresser assembly will return to the right across the cup wheels. Follow the same procedures for dressing the cup wheels as described for the manual dresser assembly. Changing the dressing diamonds. Dresser diamonds should be replaced in pairs. Turn the dresser advance wheel counterclockwise to move the assembly away from the cup wheels. Loosen the set screw that fastens the knurled knob and remove the knob. Unscrew the diamond advance screw and remove it from the assembly. Slide the diamond holder out and clean and lubricate the screw threads and the dresser assembly threads. Insert a new diamond holder in the advance screw and replace it in the dresser assembly. Turn the advance screw until the diamond is extending 1/4 of an inch out from the dresser assembly. Replace the knurled knob and tighten the set screw. Changing the cup wheels. Open the cup wheels to the stop position and retract the dressing assembly to allow clearance for installing the new wheels. There are 4 Allen head bolts that fasten each wheel into place. Use the Allen T-wrench to loosen and remove the bolts. Remove the worn cup wheels. Always replace wheels as a set. Clean and lubricate the retaining bolts and install the new wheels. Reverse the procedure to install the new wheels. Adjusting the drive belts. Inspect the 2 belts for proper tension and for signs of wear or cracking. Check belt tension with your fingers. Belt should be taut and without slack. To adjust the shorter drive belt, loosen the right flange bearing and adjust to the proper tension. Then tighten the flange bearing. To adjust tension on the longer driven belt, loosen the clamping screw on the tension arm. Adjust the tension arm so that there is no slack in the belt, and tighten the tension arm clamping bolt. This inspection should be performed on a weekly basis. Cleaning and lubricating the hollow grinder. Use the coolant hose to wash away the grit under the wheel cover each day. Wash the areas under the cover and wash between the bellows where grit can accumulate. Clean out the areas under the pivot block covers. Spray white oil on all the metal parts inside the machine and be sure to lubricate the moving parts. The hollow grinder has 5 grease fittings that should receive 2 pumps of grease about every 6 months depending on use. The coolant fluid should be changed at least once a week.